Hello friends, welcome to the Defense Tech channel. Today we are going to talk about the missile power of India. First up is the Akash. Akash is an medium-range mobile surface-to-air missile systems developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO and produced by the Bharat Dynamics Limited for missile system. The missile system can target up to 30 km away at altitudes of 18,000 meter. It is in operational range with the Indian Army and Air Force. Next up, we have the Trishul. Trishul is a short-range surface-to-air missile developed by DRDO as a part of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It can also be used as an anti-sea scammer from ship against low-fly attacking missiles. Next up is the Nag. Nag is an Indian third generation all-weather fire and forget lock-on after launch anti-tank guided missile with an operational range of 500 meter to 20 km. It has a single shot hit probability of 90% and a 10-year maintenance-free shelf life. Next up is the Prithvi. Prithvi is a tactical surface-to-surface short-range ballistic missile developed by the DRDO of India under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. It is deployed by the Indian Strategic Command Forces. Prithvi has two variants. Prithvi 1 has a range of 150 km and it has a payload capacity of 800 kilograms, while Prithvi 2 has an operational range of 350 km and it has a payload capacity of 500 to 1000 kilograms. Agni is a family of medium to intercontinental range ballistic missile developed by India named after one of the five elements of nature. Agni missiles are long range nuclear weapon capable surface to surface ballistic missile. It has five variants. Agni 1 has a range of 700 to 900 km and it has a payload capacity of 1 ton. Agni 2 is a range of 2000 km and it also has the payload capacity of 1 ton. Agni 3 has a range of 3500 km and it also has the capacity of 1.5 tons. Agni 5 has a range of 4000 km and it has a payload capacity of 1 ton. Agni 5 has a payload capacity of 1 ton and it has a range greater than 5000 kilometers. Next up is the Dhanush. Dhanush, it is a missile developed by India. It is still under development. K family of missiles named after Indian scientist and former President APJ Abdul Kalam is a family of submarine launched ballistic missile developed by India to boost its second strike capabilities and thus augment its nuclear deterrence. A K-15 is a submarine launched ballistic missile. It has a range of 750 km and has a payload capacity of 1 ton. K4 on the other hand has a range of 3500 km and has a payload capacity that is not yet known. The next is the Shaurya. Shaurya missile is a canister launched hypersonic surface to surface tactical missile developed by the Indian DRDO for the use of Indian Armed Forces. It has a range of 700 to 1900 km and it is capable of carrying a payload of 2000 kg to 1 ton, conventional or nuclear warhead. It gives the potential to strike at a very long range against any adversary. BrahMos, as you all know, is a very famous supersonic missile. It is a medium-range ramjet supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from various like submarine, ships, aircraft or land. It is the fastest supersonic cruise missile in the world. It is a joint venture between the Russian Federation's NPO and Indian Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, who has together formed the BrahMos Aerospace. There is also research about the second version of the BrahMos which is still under development. Next we have the Nirbhay. Nirbhay is a long-range all-weather subsonic cruise missile designed and developed by India by the Aeronautical Development Establishment, which is under DRDO. The missile can be launched from multiple platforms and it is capable of carrying conventional and nuclear warheads. It is currently deployed in limited numbers in LAC during the standoff with China. It has a range of about 1000 km and a payload capacity of 450 kg. Prahar. Prahar is the Indian solid fuel road mobile tactical ballistic missile developed by DRDO. Prahar is expected to replace the Prithvi 1 short range ballistic missile in Indian service. Next up is the Astra. Astra is all-weather beyond visual range air-to-air missile developed by DRDO. It is first air-to-air missile developed by India. Astra is designed to be capable of engaging targets of varying range and altitudes, allowing for engagement of both short-range targets at a distance of 10 km and long-range targets up to a distance of 110 km. Astra has been integrated with the Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and will be integrated in Dassault Mirage 2000 HAL Tejas and MiG-29 in the future. Next we have the Helena. Helena is an anti-tank guided missile that can be launched from a helicopter and it has a range of 7 to 8 kilometers. Next up we have the hypersonic technology demonstrator vehicle. The HSTDV is an unmanned scramjet demonstration aircraft for the hypersonic speed flight. It is being developed as a carrier vehicle for hypersonic and long-range cruise missiles. It is under development by the DRDO. Next up, we have the mission Shakti, which is also said as an anti-satellite missile. It on 27 March 2019, India tested an anti-satellite vehicle during an operation code named Mission Shakti. The target of the test was a satellite present on low Earth orbit which was hit with kinetic kill vehicle. The test made India the fourth country after the US, Russia and China to have tested an anti-satellite weapon. So friends, this was the information about the missile power of India. So hope you see in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.